Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to update your About Me section on Discord using your Android device. Your About Me is a great way to express your personality and let others know more about you. So, let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so that you can access your profile settings. Next, look for your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen and give it a tap. This will take you to your profile where you can start making changes. Now, you'll see various options on your profile. Tap on Edit Profile to open the editing menu. This is where all the fun begins. Once you're in the Edit Profile menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled About Me. Here, you'll see your current About Me text. Tap on it to initiate the editing process. Now, it's time to unleash your creativity. Edit your About Me section however you like. Whether you want to share your favorite hobbies, a catchy quote, or just a little something about yourself, this is your chance to shine. Finally, when you're satisfied with your changes, don't forget to tap Save at the top right corner of your screen. This will ensure that all your hard work doesn't go to waste. And there you have it. Your Discord, About Me, is now updated. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy chatting.